In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use instant deposits on Robinhood. Start by opening the Robinhood app and logging in. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date. A quick refresh or app update can prevent errors during the linking process. Next, confirm that you have a bank account linked. New Robinhood accounts typically use Plaid, which securely connects to your bank and enables instant deposits. If you're brand new and you linked your bank during sign-up, you may already be set for instant access. Still, it's worth checking to be sure everything is connected properly. If your bank account is older or wasn't linked through Plaid, you'll want to relink it to enable instant deposits. Go to Profile, then Menu, choose Transfers, and open Linked Accounts. Find your existing bank connection and unlink it. After that, tap Add Account, select Bank Account, and link it again using the Bank Account option that triggers the Plaid connection. Plaid will guide you to pick your bank and sign in securely, which verifies your account instantly without waiting for micro deposits. As you go through the Plaid flow, be ready to confirm the connection, follow the prompts to verify the bank transfer in your bank's notification. Depending on your bank, Plaid may send a confirmation via your banking app, a text message, or an email. It helps to have notifications turned on and your bank's app installed so you can approve the verification quickly. If you don't see anything right away, give it a moment and check your notifications again. Once you've confirmed, your Robinhood account should be set up for instant deposits. That means when you move money into Robinhood, you can access a portion of it right away to invest. Even while the transfer is processing in the background, you're now ready to deposit funds and get immediate access up to your instant deposit limit. For many accounts, that limit is usually up to $1,000, though it can vary based on your account and history. When you start a deposit, the app will show how much is available instantly, so there are no surprises. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Instant deposits give you early access for trading, but the actual bank transfer still settles over standard ACH timelines. If a transfer doesn't complete, Robinhood may reverse the instant portion. If your bank isn't supported by Plaid or you run into verification issues, try again with a stronger connection or reach out to support for help. And that's it. Your instant deposit should now be good to go.